What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the live stream. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way in. We're trying to get this thing to 200 likes so we can open that live chat for everyone. All right. What we got here today? Let's check a few things out. TGL is starting to pick up, guys. DVLT. No, that's not DVLT. What else? We got that CODX. We got, just running through a quick one before we dive into things. Letting a few more people get into the live stream. And cool. TGL, keep our eyes out on that. Looking for TGL to actually break $1.20 here shortly. Shout out to the 66 people that is currently watching the live stream. Don't forget to like it again. Like I said before, guys, we're just trying to get that we're trying to get the live chat open for everybody. It's just 200 likes. That's easy money. All right. Cool. Let's see what else we got here. NCI is doing some strange price action currently, guys. Strange price action. Let's get that out there. NCI, we're looking for an alert on that. Entry would be 217 PT. We're looking for 240 plus here on NCI. Again, shout out to those that is currently watching the live stream where you came to get these live in stream alerts. Our CODX, as you guys know, if you're part of the Discord, we got in this thing this morning. Just checking for the alert entry. 63 cents. Current PT sits at a 90 cents here currently, guys. 90 cent PT here for CODX. Check that live chat. None yet, but we got 83 current viewers, guys, which means we can get 83 quick likes here and get closer to opening up that live chat. I know you guys got a few questions about BYND and more meme stocks, so smash that like button. Do a neighbor a favor. See, a CODX currently right now, guys, is seeing huge bid orders. We might see a halt actually take place here soon. Qualcomm. We got some great news here today. Let's look at those options. Call options here currently for COM. We're at 175. Let's look at those 1114s. TGL is still doing its thing, but ONFO. Sorry about that, guys. This just, we here trading penny stocks. That's the name of the title, right? So we'll get back to Qualcomm, all right? But this is very interesting. I'm liking the bids we're seeing here currently. Let's check out, before we go in on this thing, intraday looks good. We currently got a nice trail of active buy, but we're not going to bite just yet. We need to see a little bit more on this thing. So let's put a 3-minute change above 5%. All right. Let's see what else we got brewing here. Still trying to approach that 90 cent price target here currently. Again, guys, we're looking for 200 likes for that live stream. For the live chat, so you guys can ask me questions about other stocks. Let's check out BYND here really quickly. And guys, far as our giveaway goes, yes, we do have a winner. All right, we do have a winner for the giveaway. We will announce that here in today's live stream. Once we do open up the live chat at 200 likes, just to let you guys know, the winner will have a lifetime membership in the Discord, free of charge. And we did fail to actually get the 200 likes in the previous video, so the cash prize is $50 instead of doubling it. But we will have another giveaway, ladies and gentlemen, during the next video. But here, Qualcomm. Okay, BYND, guys. Let's check this out here really quickly. What's going on? Like I told you guys before, don't believe the hype. All right. Right now, what we are currently seeing here in BYND, if we go to our capital trend here, currently so far intraday, we're seeing huge inflow so far here on the day. Right now, bids is looking pretty darn strong. If we look at our active buy, currently right now we do have a wide active buy here. So we may actually see BYND follow market conditions here, guys, for the first time in 3 days of trading. If you're currently holding BYND, let me know. Please let me know, because I know a lot of you guys is currently watching that. I just got to take a brief look at PLTR here really quickly. We're approaching Mach 5 here in our beloveds. We're looking for that $217 price target to be reached and breached here in PLTR before Christmas, ladies and gentlemen. I will be giving you guys an easy money call option strategy here for PLTR in a video later today. But our Qualcomm, let's get back at it. Yeah, that thing is continuing here. I will go with the 1114s, guys. For Qualcomm, our strike price we will look for is $1. I mean, not $1. I know we tend to trade penny stocks here on the channel, but $195 strike on those calls, out the money currently here for the expiration of November 14th. All right. Let that savor a bit. Let me check out the live chat, guys. I can't wait for you guys to open that up, because I know you guys got some questions. The likes is currently matching 73 likes and 73 current viewers. That's something that we tend to not see here often, guys. So I like that. Wiki. Ooh, those bids is looking strong, and we got those neutrals flying. Honestly, looking for a 13 plus price target here on the day for Wiki, guys. Okay, we got a few more. Granted. CLIK is picking up from its bottom out on the day, and UAI, to our surprise. Checking out here on our day chart, looks as though that we're going to break that high that was set here on Monday. If you have been following the server, ladies and gentlemen, then you are well aware that we alerted this stock back on the 6th for that $1.90 alert entry here in NUAI. Currently, right now, we have a price target set for NUAI at $6.10, which we should reach and breach here on the day. So if you're still holding it, let me know in the comment section below once it's open. I know a few of you guys are part of the membership over on YouTube. So if that's you, comment in the live chat. But BKYI seems as though that we may be actually seeing a turnaround from its bottom out. Too early to call just yet. And RPGLI, we got, yeah. AERT is also one of our alerts here this morning. Current price target for AERT, ladies and gentlemen, sits at 77 cents. Qualcomm is still moving here, guys. Currently sits at 186. We check our SPY, because we currently got some SPY calls sitting here at, if I'm not mistaken, 684. I believe, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, 684 calls here for the SPY on the dailies. And ASST. Look out for this thing to actually make a move here, guys. If we actually break that $1.53 here, we may actually break the pre-market high of that $1.76. If you're currently holding ASST, I will continue to do so. Starting to see that RPGL. Where did it go? It just moved pretty quickly. RPGL, yes, it is seeing nice bid orders. Nice trail of bid orders. In fact, got a $1.65 plus price target for RPGL, guys. And Qualcomm is still pushing. I guess that $1.95 on the 11/14s may actually go into money here today. TGL. TGL is struggling to break that $1.16 here. And TGL. And let's see. PGL. Nope. Things are starting to slow down here a bit. Check out OPEN. I know a lot of you guys currently hold this stock as well. Great PA here yesterday. Right now, we're looking at a PCD here. Profit ratio on the day sits at 71%. That does come with slight concern here. We're going to keep our eyes out on that degree overlap, though. Currently sits slightly higher than that profit ratio of 75%. If we see that degree overlap drop under 50, guys, then the direction that the stock is currently headed in, we may see a vast move in that direction, which we currently sits here on the down tick. Not so much. Honestly, I'm looking for OPEN to actually cross those $10 levels here yet again and test those here this week, sometime this week before Friday. Qualcomm. Liking what I'm seeing. Liking what I'm seeing here in Qualcomm. I think I said it right. Currently got 79 likes. Like I said before, guys, just 200 likes, and we will open up that live chat for everyone to ask questions about your favorite stock, of course. Our AST here. Yep, we should actually be flipping this SAR here. If that takes place, let's go to our 3-minute chart. Flipped here on the 3, 5. We're just waiting for that flip here on the 15, and we should actually see this thing make its next leg up here. Qualcomm, looks like those calls are in the money, honey. Look, yeah, we just dipped in the money and got right out pretty quickly, but it looks like those that are $195 strikes may fall in the money here. Back in the money in the next few minutes here. All right, so if that's moving. G sets. We also alerted this here this morning as well before the live stream started. We actually got to said can't hear him. He needs to speak louder into the mic, huh? All right, how loud is that, man? Or, all right, let me see. Yeah, that's pretty loud that it's gonna get here, guys. But let's see here. ASST is looking to make its next leg up here pretty darn soon. Qualcomm, we are now in the money, honey. But by expiration, guys, I honestly believe that we should actually see Qualcomm around 220. But who am I, right? DZZ is pushing AERT, ASNS. All right. This should actually see a break here to the upside again. Another leg up to test those 70-cent levels here before lunch, guys. I'm looking for ASNS to actually make a nice move here as well. MSN. Where's the quantum space? Looks pretty good here. Let's check that 5 minute. No. 5 days here. LAES. Honestly, guys, I'm looking for LAES here to make a retest those $8 levels here this week. Looks like Qualcomm just crossed those 202s. $202, guys. Let's do a Q&A, a poll. All right, guys. Quick poll. Are you still holding BYND? Okay, looks like we're about to make our next leg up here in ASST, guys. Breaking that $1.76 pre-market high. Look for that to actually take place here very, very soon. Next 5 minutes of trade. What we're looking for here now is another play on the day, and I just hit the wrong one. This is what we were looking at. All right. Let's see here. Everything's starting to block orders here. Before they beat us to the punch. NAUT entry 133. We're looking for a $1.45 plus price target here. All right, let's see. D Nut Krispy Kreme, huh? Funny. ASST. Yeah, those bid orders is coming in much heavier as well. Let me see here, guys. SMLR. For a $37 price target plus here in SMLR, guys. Qualcomm starting to see slight resistance, but I feel like we may actually see another leg on that to the upside. Hey, Obi, KITT, hold or sell? Honestly, I'll hold this thing here. 220 would actually be like a breaking point for me. Currently watching this. This was a question from one of the Discord members. Goes by Geese. Yeah, Geese, if you're currently watching, 220 would be the breaking point. Let's see our Qualcomm is just broke under 220. The gold double. It's trading pretty well right now. VRST, Vista Energy. I'd be looking for. What do go puts on that? Let's. MG and X, no. Thing looks like it's about to make a move. Here's SMLR, but you should see the market picking here. Yeah, I'll just hold on to this a little bit longer. Our PGL still haven't broken that $1.51. Check that live chat here. Shout out to Anthony for coming. YouTube. Remember, you want me to check out a firm. A firm. I think we did some calls on here for the 1107s. $85 strikes, I believe. Still confident in that. For a firm far as to answer your question, Anthony. Again, shout out to Anthony for becoming one of the members. And again, we got 85 likes, guys. If you're new to the live stream, waiting for 200 likes to open that live chat up for everyone. We got TEAD, JUNS. There we go. Your current price target for NUAI sits at 610. Reached and breached that. New price target for NUAI is $6.82, guys. SUPV here. Okay, and you DVLT, guys, if you're still holding this thing, we may actually see this thing actually cross at $4 here on the day. AEI. G-sit. Looks like we may actually hit the $12 price target before lunch here on this. DVLT and CODX may have seen its high here on the day. PMG, GAL. ARMG, no. Things is quite. QBTS. Quantum computing, guys. Now, as you guys can see here, that mid Bollinger Band cross to the upside. We may actually see QBTX challenge that upper here before we actually come towards some downwards pressure again and or correction. I honestly see this thing actually flipping SAR here before Wednesday as well. GSET is still moving upwards here. Yeah, very confident in that $12 PT here in GSIT. Currently got 83 viewers, guys, and 87 likes if you're new to the live stream. We're looking for 200 likes so we can open up the live stream for everyone. We're not too far off from that. OSRH looks good for a nice alert. We got a 77 cents plus price target for OSRH. RNA picked back up here. The RPGL has finally made that leg up here, guys. All right, guys, DVLT. It looks like it's about to break another high. But right now, ZBIO, like I said before, $32 here, possibly on the day. DVLT, looking for that 410 any minute now, guys. 410 on the price target for DVLT. Like I said before, I know a lot of you guys are currently holding DVLT, and if that is you, let me know in the live chat. No, guys, that's not a joke. The live chat will be opened very, very soon. Sooner than you guys think. Let's keep smashing that like button, guys. Let's get this thing to 200. We're pretty close. How many people are still currently holding BYND? Not many, huh? Not as many as I thought. Looking for that 14 plus price target, guys. Currently in DVLT. Let's see here. Bam, bam, bam. Just answered a few questions over on Twitter. Guys, if you're not following me on Twitter, make sure you do that. Are tuned enough to the Discord, guys. I do communicate with my followers over on Twitter. So, DVLT, CODX. The only two that is currently seeing nice flying bid orders right now. ZBIO slightly, but it looks as though that those neutral orders picking up here heavily. G-set as well, still moving northward. Like I said before, we're looking for a $12 plus price target for the now. STAI as well, just picked up. Let's see here. Bam, bam. Whoa. 78 cents here for STAI, guys. Our DVLT, next leg up. Next leg up, next leg up. 410. 397, my boy Danny. What's going on, Dan? Yes, just sold my position on DVLT. Danny cashing in. Why not, Dan? Why not? It's more plays where that came from, Dan. Let's see if we can find another one. Another goose egg here. We only can take what the market gives us. And right now, the market isn't giving us. Isn't giving us anything that it hasn't already gave here. It seems as though. Shout out to my boy Daniel for becoming one of the YouTube members. All right, let's go to hot stocks here and narrow down our list, but our DVLT seems as though that it's starting to see downwards pressure. KITT Still seeing that downwards pressure here. Actually dipped as low towards our 220. AI as well. Let's see what direction we're headed. MRVL, Marvel Technology should be testing those $90 levels here by the end of the day. GSAT still holding key levels above $11 here for those that's holding that, and CODX as well, REFR. MHUA. Huge trailing ask for orders is coming in now. Was that a pump fake? They almost got me. But good thing we always check the tape, right, guys? That's that CODX starting to pick up on the day. We may actually see a halt take place on that, but everything else, like I said, just CODX and currently right now just only CODX, but nothing else is actually picking up on our 5-minute ranking and NUAI, but it's just mediocre orders currently. Nothing really jumping out on the paper right now, but CODXs is just moving pretty darn fast. And that's what you're looking for when you're momentum trading, guys. Let's see here. TISI. BYND is starting to see some of those orders flow on the bid side of things, but too early to say we're out the water. MCTA, something that is picking up pretty heavily. Share float only 4.5 million. This might be something we might have to alert here, which we are going to alert. Guys, if you're not a part of the Discord, remember to sign up. Link is pinned. MCTA. GSAT started to pick up here as well. Approaching that $12 price target. Earnings, post-market earnings here in 3 days for the end of the week. Easy money call option to play on that 11.21. So that is a stretch. Never mind then. That's a stretch. Never mind, guys, on that. Our CODX is still not breaking that resistance here. Let's see our PCD on the day. That 82-cent resistance that we're currently facing here in CODX. Not looking good. CODX, CENN. 26 cent. Keep your eyes out on this, guys. We might actually see a break here to the upside. I'm really trying to see. See huge asking orders flowing into BYND here currently. That isn't something that we want to see here, especially in the upbeat market that we're currently seeing here. Do you think Qualcomm will take another leg up or take profits? I'll take profits right now, Danny. I mean, it all depends when those EXPs that you actually bought here at the what we do $1.80, 185, I believe, or 195. Forgot. Recommendation Discord to everyone new member here, and Friday was lit. Shout out to Danny. Danny tell no lies, guys. Friday tend to be actually my best trading days, and Monday isn't anything to look past either. With that being said, guys, 93 likes, 67 people currently watching, and I know majority is the 67. And smash that like button, but for you new guys that haven't already, don't forget to do so for that live chat to be opened. TEAD RPGL leg up. Yep. RPGL, I know we alerted that. Over in the Discord here, $1.65 was the current price target, and it seems as though that we have reached and breached that here, guys. RPGL, let's update the Discord. RPGL, PT smash. New PT is set for $1.88 plus here. Right. $1.88 plus there for that. BYND is still currently struggling here with that resistance. OP, Ocean Pal. Looks like we're seeing nice bids go in. So, OP entry 233, PT 255 plus. All right, guys, you heard it here first. Real-time alerts for real traders. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Oh. Things are looking starting to shift here. Starting to see a sector shift here on the day. Biotechs starting to pick up here. RNA flat. MCTA 940 plus price target, should be breaching at 940. Let's see. We got CODX starting to pick back up here. Let's see, guys. If you did take the CODX alert, let me know. Yeah, just waiting for us to actually hit the price target here. YDKOP. We got RANI here as well. Still holding key levels, guys. Didn't break as low as that $1.76 here from previous trading day. I'll keep my eyes out on that, because if we do break below that here on the day, we might find ourselves in a falling wedge. But CODX, let's check. It looks like it just made its next leg up. And there we are. Right, CODX, 90 cent was the price target, and that has been reached and breached. $0.98 is the new price target, and make sure you guys consider partial profits here. CLIK, man, it's made its leg up. ASST as well, looks like it's about to make its turnaround here and break that $1.65 high. But CLIK, yeah. Guys out on that to make a northward move. $12 PT for that. Low share float, low statistic, guys. It doesn't take a lot of buying and selling to sway the share price in either direction. Be mindful of that. Bam. Right. With that being said, guys, we did fail to hit our 200 like goal. But me being the nice guy I am, 1.2 CLIK, ZBIO, ASST, ABVE as well. Starting to see a rotation here. MANK. Me being the nice guy that I am, though, guys, you like spit it out. CLIK. Oops. I'm moving too fast with that one. Edit. PT would be the one. All right. Me being the nice guy that I am, though, we're gonna open up the live chat. But before I do that, I just want to say congratulations to our winner. Anthony trading with Jesus. Like 74 from San Francisco, California. Guess what, Anthony? You are our winner of the giveaway. $50 cash giveaway, as well as a lifetime membership of the Making Easy Money Discord. Congratulations. I hope you're currently watching this. And like I said before, guys, we will have another one in the next video. All right. So that being said, again, congratulations, Anthony. Now, me being the nice guy that I am, I know you guys tired of me saying that, right? Well, let me know how you think about it. What you think about it. In the live chat. It's open for everyone now, guys. With that being said, congratulations, Anthony. Oh yeah, Anthony. Contact me over on Twitter at OBIMEM. Or just hit the Discord link and DM TK. He was already aware of the winner a few moments ago, so he's waiting on you. Or I'm waiting on you over on Twitter, so congratulations, Anthony. All right, so guys, what you think about BYND? ZBIO, KITT, everything's starting to. We hit 95 cent there, and CODX. It's pretty darn good, I should say. CLICK seems like it just faced a little downward pressure. It's set to close on your app. What you using, Daniel? Shout out to Pam for dropping in. Is it open on Weeble? Yeah, I'm not sure about Weeble. I know it's a lot of traders that use it though. CSAI is looking good. CSAI, the $1.65 plus price target here for the day. We haven't reached it just yet, but I am very confident that we will here shortly. Right, guys, we have reached our hour-long live stream. Here, I know the live chat hasn't been open for too long, but we may actually drop that goal a little bit lower here for the next video. AMDL. I just can't stop. Since that is going up, we should see stocks like that pick up here. Why are these neutral orders flowing in? But yeah, again, guys, I just want to say thank you for coming out to today's live stream. Be looking out for update videos here shortly on a few stocks that you want to watch out for here the remainder of the week. And with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go. Shout out to, again, our winner, Anthony trading with Jesus.